Dwi'n meddwl oedd rei o'r dynion yn meddwl madra iddyn ni fod. Oedden nhw ddim yn meddwl ddylen ni fod yn chwarae golff.
Some men don't think we belong on the golf course, but there are fewer and fewer as the years go. And I think they realise that we bring a lot to the club.
Tro cyntaf fi'n dallan efo un o'r llywydd oedd yma chydig o flynyddoedd yn ôl, gem hwyl oedd hi. A peth yn ôl, ydym ond deith y gwrdd mae hon yn hitio 3 wood yn bellach na dwi'n hitio'n reifar. A newid y perception.
Well, in the past, we had very low numbers of women, and we've had a huge increase because people have seen that we're moving on and including women more.
Mi fydra i ddeud yn sicr bod y nifer o ferched yn chwarae golff yma yn ddiweddar wedi codi o gwmpas 65% a fwy o be gynnon ni tua 2 flynedd yn ôl.
I've always had this kind of feeling that golf clubs are very male dominated and not very welcoming, but actually from the minute we walked in here, even when I was just being a social member I suppose, it's been great, and the ladies are just so welcoming, friendly, supported me as we're walking round. You're hitting a few balls in between, but actually it's the companionship and the emotional support that I've had as well. Been absolutely tremendous here.
Mae yna fwy I glwb golff na'r golff. Mae'r social aspect, cyfeillgarwch, helpu'n gilydd.
I like the camaraderie. I really love the fact that you belong here, and it's fantastic.
The biggest benefits to me was the camaraderie of the place, of making friends. As we moved into the area, it was one of the places that I made the most friends.
Anglesey Golf Club had the Women's Legacy Fund grant through the Welsh Government, and they made massive changes to their facilities. And I think for the golf club there's been a clear focus around making everything inclusive, accessible and sustainable for the future of the game.
So we replaced all our ancient horrible lockers with beautiful wooden ones which look very smart. We've also installed a proper toilet on the course. So we've got a proper flushing loo. And we've also refurbished the toilets and wash basin area and installed a new shower. So lots of new changes which make it so much better.
Mae'r cyfystyr newydd wedi wneud o lot haws I chwarae yma rwan. Mae yna showers yma, ti'n dod â dillad efo chdi, dwi'n yn gorfod mynd adre I newid, so mae o lot mwy user-friendly mewn ffordd. Mae yna bobl anabal yn gallu dod yma. Mae yna gyfleusterau ar I gyfel nhw. Da ni efo cegin a bwyd yma. Mae teuluoedd ifanc, mae yna changing facilities. Mae hyn I gyd yn dod â incwm i'r clwb hefyd, wneud o fwy gymdeithasol.
We have a wide range of people who come from the community who enjoy using it as a community hub. I think it brings life to the club because it brings people in and it adds to the sustainability of the club.
Ffocws y clwb yn y dyfodol fydd ymgynghori efo'r cymuned a dod ar y ddigwyddiadau yma. A da ni'n gwneud mwy a mwy o hynny dyddiau yma. Ac oherwydd bod gynnon ni cyfleusterau da I gynnig, felly mae yna fwy o hynny mynd I ddigwydd oherwydd yr arian da ni wedi cael. Yn ogystal â hynny, da ni wedi ffeindio bod yna fwy o pobl ifanc yn dechrau chwarae golff yma, a mwy nag erioed chwarae golff yma.
The Women's Legacy Fund has had a massive impact already on Anglesey Golf Club. The club run new to golf schemes, and already they have found that their female membership is mostly made up of those new to golf ladies, which is absolutely amazing to see.
Well, I think the enhancements that this fund has allowed the club to do are enhancements they would not have been able to do otherwise. We're still seeing a substantial amount of more men within our golf clubs than we do see women. What we've seen this fund do is really dial down on some of the facilities that women and girls need and want within the sport.